This is me. Lockdown has meant that I can't get my hair cut or cut my beard, and so I'm a bit of a hairy monster now. But hey there, everyone, Swatfield, it's me, Chris. Yeah, I thought you'd like to see a video of me shaving all of my hair off at last so that I can finally look myself again. But while I'm doing that, I thought I'd tell you all a story. And this is kind of a personal story for me. Lockdown has been difficult for me personally, in the sense that everything that I do is different. For a job, I hang out with young people and I try and teach you guys important things, similar to your teachers. And it's been very difficult to do that because I'm not allowed to go and visit people. And I found that very hard, and there's been a lot of change that's happened over the last 3 months, and I found that really difficult. But the thing that's comforted me the most during the whole this time is the knowledge that I'm not going through this alone. I don't have to handle all of this by myself, because I believe that God loves me and cares for me, and that Jesus cares about me deeply and goes through these difficulties with me. Better than that, tries to help me in the struggles that I have. I believe that God cares about us so much that he will even try and help us by taking away our burdens. And so as I shave off my beard here, you can see that the burden of having a scratchy face is disappearing. And in the same way, God takes away our burdens as well. There's a Bible passage here that I want you to all enjoy together. It goes a little bit like this. Give your burdens to God. He will take care of you. And that's taken from Psalm 55, verse 22. God loves you and cares for you deeply and wants to help you in all he can. Consider checking out some of our social media stuff.